Nama Shivaya kids, I hope Shivaji is keeping all of you happy and safe. Today, I am going to tell you a very interesting story. Sit tight and get ready for the adventure. In the heart of ancient Bharat, India, where the sacred river Ganga flows and time dances between the divine and the mortal, lies the city of Kashi or Varanasi, eternal, luminous and guarded by gods. But before peace came to its guts, a cosmic quarrel unfolded, and from fire and penance, a fierce guardian was born. This is the story of Kal Bhairav, born of wrath, forged by truth, and destined to protect the holiest of cities.
In the heavenly realms, among starlit skies and floating lotuses, a quarrel erupted between two of the Trimurti, Lord Brahma, the creator, and Lord Vishnu, the preserver. Proud and resplendent in red silk, Brahma claimed supremacy as the origin of all. Vishnu, calm and cloaked in blue light, countered with the harmony of Prasa Visarjan as the true essence of existence. Their voices echoed across the cosmos until a blinding column of light burst between them. A pillar of infinite fire stretching beyond sight, neither beginning nor end in view. Both gods were stunned. What was this mysterious flame that dwarfed their power? To unravel the secret of the light, Brahma transformed into a swan and soared upward, hoping to find its top. Vishnu, taking the form of a mighty boar, dove into the depths to find its base. Eons seemed to pass in their journeys, yet neither end could be found. The pillar was endless, an eternal truth beyond their comprehension. Finally, they returned, humbled and awestruck. But Brahma, unwilling to admit defeat, lied. He claimed to have seen the summit, offering a false flower as proof. Witnessing the deception, Lord Shiva emerged from the pillar, furious, majestic, and unmoved. From the third eye of Shiva, the eye of fire and justice, emerged a fierce force, a being born not of fears, but of true and personal courage. Kal Bhairav. His form was fire and shadow, with glowing red eyes and wild, untamed hair. Clad in tattered divine cloth, wielding a blazing trident, and followed closely by a loyal black dog, he roared across the heavens. With a single stroke, Bhairav severed the fifth head of Brahma, the head that had uttered the lie. Silence followed. Even the gods stood still. But with this act, Bhairav had committed Brahmahatya, the highest sin, slaying the Creator. And though it was in service of truth, the weight of karma could not be denied. The severed skull clung to his hand, refusing to fall. Marked by sin, Bhairav wandered the worlds, his once radiant form now draped in shadow. He walked barefoot across burning lands, forests, and desolate plains. Wherever he went, the air grew still, and creatures bowed in awe and fear. The dog remained by his side, loyal, watchful, reflecting the torment within. At last, Bhairav reached the gates of Kashi, a place beyond delusion, a city where Lord Shiva himself had promised liberation to all who entered. As Bhairav stepped into the city, a miracle occurred. The cursed skull slipped from his hand and dissolved into soft petals, carried away by the wind. The burden lifted, the sin forgiven. Here, in the city of light and liberation, Bhairav found peace. His rage cooled, his eyes softened, the shadows around him calmed. He no longer walked as an outcast, but as a guardian. As twilight falls over Kashi, the Ganga glows with floating diyas. Children gather near the ghats, listening to elders whisper tales of the mighty Bhairav, the god who bore the weight of sin and emerged transformed. His temple stands watch over the city, his presence felt in every breeze, every bell chime, every prayer. His story is not just one of wrath, but of truth, humility, and forgiveness. For even the fiercest among us can seek light, even the most burdened can find peace. Om Kal Bhairavaya Namah. This means I bow to Lord Kal Bhairav, fierce protector, bearer of justice, and guardian of sacred Kashi.
Even the fiercest shadows can find redemption in the light. Kal Bhairav, once the embodiment of divine fury, became the eternal protector of Kashi, watching over every soul who walks its sacred grounds. His tale teaches us that every sin seeks atonement and every spirit longs for peace. In the city of light, even the darkest past may dissolve like a skull into petals. Om Kal Bhairavaya Nama. This means I bow to Lord Kal Bhairav, the fierce aspect of Shiva, who rules over time, death, and the destruction of ego. May his wisdom guide us, his strength protect us, and his presence remind us that no journey is beyond forgiveness.